making, Papa? We're gonna make
Okay.
spaghetti with clam sauce, right?
Right, we're gonna have a clam sauce base. Okay.
Okay.
But then we're gonna throw in a couple of saute some shrimp with that.
Ooh.
And then with Italian linguine al dente.
Okay.
And the most beautiful subjects to join us for dinner. My dear Maddie, my lovely Eva, and then Justin's on his way.
Justin's on his way.
So.
Sure. Sure.
If you're ever gonna leave me, it had better be tonight. If I'm gonna ever leave you, it had better be say tonight. I said, just get it, baby. Go, go, go. As the natives say, hey, Fatsubido. Yeah. Papa's the biggest show off.
Yeah. Okay, what do we have?
Papa's the biggest show off.
We've got just garlic and oil now, right?
Okay, we're going to throw the clams to get the bread. We're going to brown the garlic.
Okay.
Nice and golden brown, right, baby doll?
Golden brown.
What do you want to hear? Who's your favorite, Maddie?
Gee, I don't know. Is this your favorite wine?
Yeah, this is our favorite wine. Eva and I love this wine. Number one. The first thing you need to know when you pop the cork.
Okay.
The first thing you bring in, you wet your finger.
Oh.
Put it, right? Then
Ew.
you
Ew.
the popcorn. Then what you do, you slowly, like a mother's glove,
I've never seen it do
put the needle into the cork
Okay.
and say, ahoy!
Ahoy.
Down we go.
That's hard.
There we
That
go.
looks really hard.
I don't open wine.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay.
Take it off.
Hot goes the weasel.
You need the clams?
See what he wants? My lovely Eva.
Here's the
You see
clams.
what she did? Watch it.
We put in pepper.
All right.
Red pepper.
And then once they
Nice
open
and
up,
gentle.
then we're going to pop them out temporarily.
Okay.
Until
Well, can I open?
Yep, take a look. See the way they open up? Okay, once they open up, I take them out. Get that clam juice in there, see?
Yeah. So you put the done ones over here.
It's open.
Open.
And drain it.
You went to Doris to get that?
The call.
Gotta butter. This much or more?
Yeah, put that in. A little more.
Okay.
A little bit more.
Okay.
Can't hurt. Can't hurt.
Oh no. No, there we go. Alright. No, it can't. Alright. We're sauteing shrimp
Then
now.
we're going to put some clam juice in there.
Okay.
Shake, senora. Shake it all the time. Shake, shake, senora. Oh, all the time. You don't want to stand up and go to your left. And then you go to your right. Then you back into the thing. Yeah, shake, shake, senora. Shake it all the time. Go.
Wow, wow, wow. What do you think, Papa? How's it look?
Now we're going to saute. We're going to part cook it, the shrimp.
Okay.
We don't want to cook it too much.
Okay. Alright.
Okay. That's it. Get rid of the garlic.
Look at you. Two helpers.
Ah, like a mother's love.
Alrighty. Wow. And then red wine or white wine?
Yeah,
Not
once
yet.
it warms up.
Okay.
For a pound.
Linguine.
Do a little bit.
I'll put another dish.
Okay. Yeah. Look at it go.
Alrighty.
Wow.
How's that look?
It looks good, right?
I like them.
We're gonna see how it is.
Okay.
Alright. You got a drum roll, no? It's gonna be hot.
Watch my expression.
Okay.
Wow.
Really good?
Yeah, as soon as this water starts boiling.
Okay.
Taste that. It's gonna help. Should I put more white wine? I think we sit down. Put the white wine bottle at the table, please.
Where is it?
The pasta's ready already? No.
No, just put the bottle of white wine.
Where
so we
is
can
it?
Taking another sip. A toast.
Oh, I gave you too much. Okay.
Oh, that's for Justin. Justin, get ready.
To us, the most beautiful people on earth. Salute tutte. Piace molto. Ciao.
Ciao. Cheers, Papa.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Woo! Gotta go again. This is looking really good. Gonna get too hot though. Wow.
That's it. What you see is what you get.
Thank you. That's great.